Hello, my name is Nina Pralour and I am a board member for Rosendale Village Main Streets. Today we are here speaking with the Greater Rosendale Medical and Dental Center. Okay, Courtney, what does your business do?
We are a multi-specialty practice. We provide medical care and dental care to patients of all ages of the community. We are affiliated with Boston Medical Center and the BU School of Dental Medicine, one of the premier academic medical centers in Boston.
What type of services are offered here?
We have pediatricians here. We have family medicine doctors and nurse practitioners. We have an internal medicine provider.
So Keisha, tell me a little bit about what makes Rosendale a special community.
Well, it's Rosendale, right? We have so many different populations that we see here, from Greek, Albanian to Haitian Creole. We service everything, and we go along with Boston Medical Center's practice exceptional care without exception. We see everybody from 0 to 100. And if mommy's being seen, the baby can be seen at the same time, because we're a family medicine practice. Also, we have been offering so many other things like the behavioral health, where if you have a problem in clinic and the provider will hand you off to our social worker, or do like a warm handoff to the, we actually have a social worker intern also that can see you. If you're having any issues with nutrition, if you're diabetic, or just have questions, we have a nutritionist here that can follow you, and you can come and see the nutritionist also. We want to basically encompass a holistic practice, mind, body, soul. That's what makes Greater Rosendale special, because we treat everybody like family without exception.
Thanks for talking with me today, Dr. Kniffin. Yeah. Can you tell me a little bit about what your business does?
I'm a chiropractor. We're located in the Rosendale Village area. What we focus on is correcting the spine to release pressure and irritation off the nerves, allow the body to function better. Because the brain is the control center of the whole body. So you have millions and trillions of signals that travel down through the spinal cord and exit out each and every one of those nerves. And those nerves go to every organ, every muscle, and every tissue in the body. When there's a disruption from a misalignment in the spine, it'll affect the function of those nerves, go into those tissues, and cause dysfunction eventually. So as a chiropractor, what my job is to do is to align the spine back up, decrease the pressure and irritation off those nerves, and allow the body to function better.
So do you have patients come to you just walking off of the street, or do you have generally referrals from other doctors?
Yeah, we've had a few referrals from local doctors in the area. Physical therapists, MDs, a couple from a neurologist. And we also get some people that walk by, because this is a busy area. There's a farmer's market that's right across on the other side of the village. And a lot of people go by here, going to the commuter rail and so forth. So,
Is there different ways that you think people can get to know more about you? Or are there any, outreach activities that are happening, or that you would want people to know a little bit about?
Well, if they had specific questions regarding chiropractic, and if they think it could help, they could always stop in. I'd give them a tour of the office, or if they have a question about a health condition, they don't know whether chiropractic can help, I'll either say, yeah, they may be a chiropractic candidate, or no, they should go to some other healthcare professional, which I'd refer them to. And we've done that several times as well. So.
Dr. Ali,
yes.
Tell me a little bit about your business.
We're doing like a general dentistry for all kind of ages, from like a small kids till up to the age of 21, which they have like one category, till middle-aged people, and senior people, like senior citizens that they need some dental work. we try to kind of help the whole community, regardless of age, from 1-year-old to 99-year-old.
Right. So what are your hours here?
My hours, actually, we have kind of flexible hours, but most of our hours like a morning time. But on Monday and Wednesdays, I stay late till around like 7 o'clock. And I know a lot of people working like until like at 5 o'clock or something in hospitals and different places, and they're looking to go to the dentist after hours.
Right.
So I open my office on those days, they're my long days, and we open like an alternate Saturday. So if someone couldn't come during the weekdays, so they have an option open to come on Saturdays, but our Saturdays kind of booked very quick. Now I'll be looking for February, I think.
Wow.
But still, people that really need something, you know, we see them on Saturdays. Not major work, mostly like exam or some kind of, but some small works. But we do have Saturday hours, and that's one of the popular hours, Saturdays and evenings.
And how's business going here in Rozzie?
The business is great, the neighborhood is great, and lots of people from Rosendale, which lived there for a long time, they kind of knew us through the different resources. They kind of, some of them didn't have dentists before, some of them had dentists, want to just try a new start. They kind of choose our office. Now they're very loyal patients. I have patients from Rosendale which moved to different part of the town, to Norwood, to Brockton.
Yeah.
Some of them moved out of state to Rhode Island. They moved to Maine. They moved to New Hampshire. Still, they're loyal patients. They still come.
Still come back?
2 hours drive. They'll take the 2 hours drive. They come and say, "Go find another dentist over there." Why you come and say, "You know what? We'll come. Don't worry about us. We'll come here." So
That's a
I don't know what
testament to the service that you
I don't know what
provide.
they see in this practice in me, but they're very loyal patients, and I try to be loyal to them. And this is like the best thing happen.
That's wonderful. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more videos, please click subscribe.